Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to insert image in LibreOffice Writer. There are a couple of ways. I'm going to show you all of them. The easiest one is clicking here. Click here to insert image and it will show up this like where you can just go and find the image. So we're going to do it now and you'll see the image is here. If you want, you can like resize it. It's up to you. Okay, I'll delete it now and show another one. The second option is going to insert and then selecting image is practically the same thing you're doing. Okay, our last method is going to the folder and dragging the image to the LibreOffice Writer. It's super simple, right? So we have shown you three ways to insert image in LibreOffice Writer. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment and hit the thanks button too. Thanks a lot.